Zion Carr, Atatiana Jefferson's nephew, was just 8 when his aunt was killed right in front of him. Today, he sat on the witness stand for more than an hour, repeatedly answering questions about an event that he says he doesn't talk about with anyone. He was the prosecution's first witness after critical opening statements.
This is not a self-defense case. This is murder.
Aaron Dean is the first on-duty officer to ever face trial for murder in Tarrant County. Prosecutors made an emotional opening statement for why the charge is warranted.
Show me your hands. Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. Show me your hands.
It is not fast enough for Tatiana to process and follow the commands of an unknown stranger in the backyard, let alone fast enough for him to see anything in her hands.
Dean killed Atatiana Jefferson while she was playing video games with her 8-year-old nephew, Zion Carr. Now 11, he was soft-spoken as he took the stand, tearing up during a break in the trial.
I really don't like talking about what happened.
Carr struggled at times to remember details, saying he doesn't remember the shot, just Jefferson falling moments after she took a gun out of her purse.
Did you know if your Aunt Tay was hurt?
Yes, sir.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking, is it a dream?
How did you think she was hurt?
Because she was crying and just shaking.
The defense implied Carr may have been coached in his testimony and argued Dean was responding to what he believed could have been a burglary, calling the killing a tragic accident.
That gun was placed in the line of a police officer. A green laser was placed on the officer. That officer considered that to be deadly force against him and reacted accordingly. And tragically, Miss Jefferson lost her life.
Your home is supposed to be the one place on earth that you get to go to be safe. It was not her sanctuary or her safe place. It was her demise. And she left in a body bag.
It's clear that both sides plan to play this body camera video repeatedly, including portions that we haven't seen yet, as the prosecution tries to prove that Dean never saw the gun, while the defense tries to argue that it put his life in danger. In Fort Worth, I'm William Joy.
Investigative reporter Tanya Iser has been covering this case every step of the way and joins us now to provide a bit more context.
So, Tanya, Attorney Lee Merritt watched the trial all day, even though he had been sworn in as a witness at an earlier hearing. What happened today?
Well, so that's right. So he, as a witness, he's under what's called the rule, which means that he cannot come into the court. He cannot listen to testimony. He also can't listen to it online or anywhere else. So when the judge got wind that he was watching trial testimony in an auxiliary courtroom, he was called in, he was admonished, he was told, look, hey, you're a lawyer, you know the rule, you know you're not supposed to do this. And then the judge got his phone numbers and sent him on his way. He is actually representing the family in the civil case. Okay. And that's where this is going. And so, and I think it's going to play into this issue where William mentioned about the defense is going to imply that Zion has been coached. And they have not said yet if they're going to actually call him as a witness in this trial.
Okay, we know you'll stay on top of it. Thank you, Tanya.